First, let's talk about frequency and time period. Frequency is simply how many times the AC wave completes a full cycle, from zero to positive peak to negative peak and back to zero in 1 second. We measure it in Hertz. The time period is the duration of a single cycle. The peak value is the maximum voltage or current the wave ever reaches. This is the highest point on the graph. Any value at any specific moment in time is called the instantaneous value. Finally, the root mean square, or RMS value, is the most important for power. It's the effective DC equivalent, the AC value that produces the same heating effect as a steady DC current. It's approximately 70% of the peak value.